How are you, my dear students? I hope everyone is okay and also the still fine. Today our new topics in the new topics is the entamoeba. In the previous class we also know about the virus, bacteria, algae and fungi. We also know about the economic importance of fungi and also the algae, and also we also know about the amoeba. Here's the amoeba. We also draw the figure. Today our new topic is the entamoeba. Here's the entamoeba. It's also the another very important topics and also the important parasite. Here's the entamoeba, lesson 7, and also the another lesson is the 8 to 9, role of microbes in creating health hazards. Now, please everyone see the books. Entamoeba. There are basically two types of dysentery, such as the amoebic and or the bacillary. One type of bacillus bacteria is responsible for causing bacillary dysentery. Amoebic dysentery is caused by the infection of one kind of unicellular animal. Yes, the unicellular animal is the entamoeba. It is also the scientific name. Now, what's the entamoeba? Entamoeba is a unicellular organism which belongs to the kingdom Protista. They cannot be seen with bare eyes. Its body has they cannot be, again I also repeat, they cannot be seen with bare eyes. So we also have in the microscope. Do you know what's the microscope? Here's the microscope. We also know the macron and also the another structures, basically the bacteria and also the fungus and also the another structure and also the virus. They cannot be seen. Again, I also repeat, they cannot be seen with the bare eyes. Its body has no any definite shape because they continuously change size and shape. Their body is transparent and jelly-like. In adverse environments, sometimes they cover the body with hard and round covering. This condom is known as the cyst. Here's the cyst. We also draw this structure. This structure is the entamoeba. Here's the entamoeba. There are the enough vacuoles. In this structure is also the nucleus. First structure is the nucleus and the another structure is the fourth vacuole. This structure is the food vacuoles and also the outer layer is the another name is the plasma lemma. Please everyone see the board. Here's the board. I also draw the entamoeba. Here's the entamoeba. Again I also repeat. This structure is the nucleus and this structure is the food vacuole. There they preserve the food. Again the outer layer is the plasma lemma. In the two layers, the inner layer and also the outer layer. Here's the inner layer. Its structure is the endoplasm. And the outer layer is the another structure is the ectoplasm. So, and another structure is the pseudopodia. Basically, this structure is the pseudopodia. The another name is the legs. And the red blood cells, this structure is the red blood cells, and the another structure, very important structure is the bacteria. Basically this structure is the bacteria. So my dear students, please everyone try this figure to draw. Here's the entamoeba. They lives in the parasites in large intestine. Have you any idea about the intestine? This also the another structure is the inner layer. This structure here is the two intestine and the small intestine and is also the large intestine. And the entamoeba, they lives in the parasites. Basically their structure is the parasite in large intestine of man, monkeys, cats, dogs, pigs and rats. Entamoeba for causing a kind of dysentery is responsible. Entamoeba reproduces. Again I just draw this structure. This structure is the multiple fission of amoeba and the another name is the sporulation. Here's the sporulation. First structure there is the nucleus and another structure is the chromatin granules. Here's the chromatin granules. They also the grow and the last structure is the these types, and this another is the sporulation, and finally they also grow this structure. Again, the sporulation, what is the kinds of the sporulation? First, entamoeba reproduces by cell division and sporulation processes. In sporulation, please everyone underline this word, sporulation process. Protoplasm of the cell divides into many parts and produce small spores. In favorable condition, each spore grows into a new entamoeba, and this structure is the new entamoeba. And they also divide. First structure is the nucleus, and this nucleus is the grow, and the last structure is the this stage. They also the produce the cyst. Here's the cyst, and the last structure is the daughter entamoeba. Now, the patient bears the germs without any symptoms. It is very difficult to cure amoebic dysentery completely. The disease is completely cured when a component and also the competent doctor is consulted and taken proper medicines. My dear students, basically these topics is the very important topics for your exam. In this exam and first structure, everyone try to draw this figure entamoeba, and the another structure is the cell structure and also the circle of the sporulation. Now, our next topic is the lesson 8, role of microbes in creating health hazards. Here's the health hazards. First structure, bacteria may get entrance in different processes. Dirty hands may act as suitable carrier of germs. Bacteria can enter into the mouth through dirty hand. Bacterial spores may also be transported with the cloths that we use. Now, bacterial spores may travel from one place to another with the dust in the air. Bacteria may easily get transferred through shaking hands. Germs disperses easily through stale and rotten foods. Cholera and typhoid, another waterborne disease. Waterborne disease, there is also the cholera and typhoid are bacterial disease. Once spread of disease caused by virus, bacteria and entamoeba was very high. It was caused due to the shortage of safe water. Defecation and urination, hither and thither, create risk in public health. Animals feeding on these fecal matters disperse the germs from one place to another. Besides the rainwater and tidal water, and also spread the germs to distant places. In many areas of our country, there is no sanitary latrine and the people use fields or unhygienic latrines for defecation. Entamoeba infested fecal matters get mixed with the soil. Handling the soil contaminates hands. Vegetables grown in those soils are also contaminated. Vegetables sometimes contaminated with entamoeba germs after normal cooking. Entamoeba germs are still alive. Entamoeba is transmitted in these ways. My dear students, today I just also gave only short brief about the entamoeba, and also the another structure is the role of microbes in creating health hazards. And also the homework. Here's the homework. Please everyone draw this structure entamoeba, and another structure is the multiple fusion of amoeba. In this two structure, please everyone try to this structure. Draw this structure. Today I think that's all. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you.